Hi everyone, welcome to this unboxing. Today I am opening this big box. I hope you can see that. It is a light flag or a reflector diffuser set. I'm just going to open this here so I can show you inside. I've already got one of these. This is my second one. I quite like them and I just thought I'd have two so that I don't have to change them over as I go, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So what it is this big frame, and the frame can be handheld or put into a stand, and obviously you can then rotate it, etc. And onto this you can put on different fabrics that come in the box that I'll show you in a minute. So let's have a look at those now. Actually, I've changed my mind. We won't mount that. We'll do this first. So out of this box come the fabrics. This is a heavy-duty unboxing. Now, it comes with a little booklet as always. Put that there. And then you get two of these. This is the sort of diffuser see-through type thing. And these are more like a light blocking, bouncing material. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. So it's just a big panel with little Velcro. So they're the Velcro tabs. And inside you've got different colours. So you've got the white and the gold, and on the outside the silver and the black. And to do this, all you have to do is just thread it through. So it's a bit tricky to film in this tiny little room, but let's have a look anyway. Just thread it onto the frame. Let me see if I can flip it back up this way. Alright, so that's it there. It's a little bit tight to get it on at first, but the one I've had for a few weeks has been fine. So I think it just stretches a little bit on the frame, and then we just tighten these, not that you need to, and then it's ready to go. So you can just hold it or mount it into this C-stand, which I'll just show you. So all I do is just pick the right size hole there and just thread it through, and then you've got control over it this way, and you can position it that way or up and down, as well as up and down on the arm. So it's quite a handy little tool that I've been using, and it sort of replaces this in some instances where you've got to clip it and then the thing falls. But of course you can get clips for these too. I just prefer to have it ready on hand when I'm shooting at home. So, and also the square shape can be quite good. Depending on what you're after. Of course the round ones are also good if you need that sort of shape, but I quite like these. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful. I can take this out and just show you the material a little bit closer in case you're wondering what it's like. But so this is the black really close up. I don't know if you can see that too well. And the silver, it's got a little bit of a sort of grainy feel to it. It's a bit hard to show that with the light there. And then you've got the white and the gold. And then I didn't show you the other thing that came with it, of course. So I'll take this off now, and then I'll show you the other one, which is you can also have on there, which is more of a diffuser, sort of see-through one. Let's just get this on. So I just pop that on. Now just be careful as to which way this goes on, because it needs to match up with the holder. So you can see that's not right, so it needs to go this way so that it can go in that little gap there. There we go. And then it just continues on around the sides. And you've got a diffuser screen in the same sort of shape. So I'll just give you an idea of that there. So it's more of a see-through-ish sort of fabric. And you can see it blocks the light quite quite a bit from that to that. Yeah, so that's, I hope that was helpful. I film these because sometimes I want to see what they're like close up, and there isn't sometimes videos on these odd end products, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't come with a little bag or anything, it just is as is. So, but it's quite handy and you can hold them, which is good too. Yeah, if you like the video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.